In this video, I am sharing my pav recipe which is made with the whole wheat flour and the oat flour. I just flavored my pav with the chili garlic chutney, dry chili garlic chutney which we use into the vada pav. I took all the dry ingredient into the vessel like my instant yeast, chili garlic chutney, salt, sugar. Quantity is given into the description box, you can check there. First we mix all the flour and the dry ingredient and then we just add into the warm water and milk mixture. With the help of dough machine, I just mix all together and make it into the dough form. You can do it with the hand also. Initially it will take little time and then it will all come together in the form of dough. It will be sticky. On one platform, now you just sprinkle some flour and just take out your dough and start the kneading into the platform. Use the stretch and fold method. Initially it will be very sticky, but after 8 to 10 minutes you can see it will be very stretchy and it will come into the form of the dough. Apply some little oil and just keep it for the resting for 1 hour. Or till when you say the volume should be double after the time. After 1 hour you can see the dough is doubled into the volume. At this point we will deflate it again and just divide into the pavs. Just every pav we should roll it very nicely and just keep it as round balls and in some distance. After some time you can see it will be again volume will be double and it will double into the shape. Now milk wash the pav and just after that we will keep it into the preheated oven. I use the gas oven this time, otherwise you can bake onto the 180 degree centigrade or 200 to 200 degree centigrade. In gas oven I have shown the settings where I kept my settings and I just kept this pav inside the oven. It took 20 minutes for me. After completing, brush with butter. It will be the brown soft whole wheat pav will be ready. You can check the texture. This pav are soft and nice. The texture is the real like the bread one. You can see inside it and you can have it.